So guys, once you're on the Microsoft Teams website, you want to look next to the refresh button. There's going to be a button right here called View Site Information. You want to click on that. And now you want to click on Cookies and Site Data. Now you want to click on Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on Done. Now you want to click on this again, View Site Information. And then click on Site Settings. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Delete Data. And then click on Delete. Then you want to click on Reset Permissions. And then click on Reset. And now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in SFC /scan now and then click on Enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.